I love my family. My family is four people, includes my father, mother, little brother, and I. My father name is Finn. He is worker. He is 40 years old. She like watching new TV and chatting with his friend. My mother name is Cook, 40 years old. She is a teacher. She likes eating good food and going shopping and looking after us. My little brother name is Doug. He is student study in Broadwood Primary School. He is happy when he plays game and chats with my friends and his friend. The last person is me. We like walking, traveling, and chatting everyone together. I'm proud of my member, my family.